how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile. So if you want to make a Game Pass and Please Donate on mobile, then follow these steps. First, you need to open up your Roblox. After that, you need to sign into your account. And once you've signed in or once you've logged in, from the bottom menu, you will have more options. Tap on it. And then here, if you scroll down, you'll get a Create section. You need to tap on Create. And it will take you to the Creator section. Once the Creator section loads, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, right next to Home. From the menu, tap the arrow beside Creator Hub at the top. Now you need to select Dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll see a Roblox Place. Every Roblox account has at least one default place. For your Game Pass to work in Please Donate, it needs to be connected to a public place. Find your place in the list and select it. If your place is private, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the place and choose to make it public. In my case, it's already public. Now, once you're in your place, you need to again go with the three horizontal lines where you have your dashboard. And then scroll down and you will get an option of passes under monetization. Tap on passes. Now here you need to create a pass. So tap on create a pass if you've not already created a pass, but in my case I've already created. So I'll just simply show you a demo. So here you need to enter the image. If you want to upload image, you need to upload your image, and then you can enter the name, the description about the pass. You can write something about the pass and then tap on create pass and your pass will be created. Right. But the image section is optional. Keep in mind that any image that you use must follow Roblox rules and will be reviewed by their moderation team. Breaking the rules could lead to your account being banned. After optionally adding an image, go with the following steps, which is give your pass a name and then enter the description. And once you've created your passes will show right here. Now select the pass. After selecting, you need to go with the dashboard again, the three horizontal lines again, and then tap on sales. Under sales, you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to turn on the option of item for sale. After that, enter the price. Remember that Roblox keeps 30% of the sale price. So if you set it to 100 Robux, you'll only receive 17 after the deduction. Keep this in mind when setting your donation amount. Once you enter the price, tap on save changes. You could see a message that says pass updated successfully. Now once it says pass updated successfully, press the back button in the top left until you return to the passes page. Now you should see your Game Pass with the price, and which also says enable. Choose the create section, which is on the top, or just tap on the cross, which is on the top left, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now return to the Roblox home by tapping on the home at the bottom left and search for Please Donate. Go with search, which is on the top right, and search for Please Donate. Tap on play. Once the game loads, find an unclaimed stand. Walk up to it and press and hold the claim stand. After claiming it, your Game Passes will appear on the stand. So it was that easy to make a Game Pass and Please Donate on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.